Are you wondering why TweakBox, AppValley, and Ignition aren't working? Here's why. Guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy TECHNOS back at it again, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about why all these revokes are happening. Now if you guys don't know what revokes are, it's basically where Apple figures out that a certificate isn't exactly staying in the guidelines of piracy and all that cool stuff. So basically Apple revokes it and sends a small message to your phone which doesn't allow you to open the application. Now that is called a revoke, guys. These things do happen occasionally, but it's been happening so often recently due to someone reporting them. Now this guy has started a trend where he starts multiple accounts and says he's doing it, and then the other person stops doing it, and basically it's a really big mess on Twitter. Ignition, TweakBox, and all of them are trying to figure out a solution as of right now because they can't keep paying thousands of dollars only to have their own certificates revoked after a couple of minutes of them signing it. As of right now, we don't know what's going on and what's going to happen, but I'm pretty sure it will be back, but there is no word on what's going on. They're all trying to figure it out, so I will let you guys know if there are any updates about that. Now this does include AppValley, TweakBox, Ignition, and all the other side piece city alternatives. They are all being affected. Now basically what this guy is doing is he's basically installing their profiles, and once it's installed he goes to Apple and says that, hey, this is wrong, they're doing piracy and all that, and the second this guy reports that, Apple does take it down. These certificates cost thousands of dollars for them to buy, so that's why it's not such a good idea to go ahead and keep buying them just so this guy can ruin their money. Now as much as this is piracy, it is beneficial to the community and it does keep everyone's channels alive, including mine, so I do hope all these devs do find a solution for these recent reportings. But again guys, I will be letting you know soon enough. Now there is no ETA time, but I would give it around a couple of days / weeks. I will be making an update to this to see where the progress is at, and I will be letting all you know in the comment section below. And of course I will be waiting for those comments down in the comment section, so don't forget to say hi or ask me any questions you guys need for me to answer. And that is all I have for you guys today. Have a great day and stay tuned for more. Peace.